Hello, it's me. I decided that when we made ice cream, I thought he needed a companion. So, I decided to make a few things in my head. So, it's still gonna be a cat, but this time, it's gonna be a cupcake. So, let me just sketch that out. 1 second. Bam, and just like that, the next character has been created. Now, to the outlining. Now, to choose some colors from this. So, I have decided to let the top bit be chocolate frosting. So now I'm going to draw a little bit of it. Now for the colouring, do the rest. Now to add some sprinkles. There, sprinkles. Now we're going to draw the main body. I thought it could have some patterns, so I decided to draw these little spikes. Now let's colour. And look how pretty. But now we have to do you. For the last stripe. Last ones. Perfect. Now I'm going to add the outline of the pen. Marvelous. And just like that, a new character has been created. But I can't forget the name. So I'm going to call this one Cupcake. Ta-da! Perfect. Bye. See you in another video.